Hey guys, this is Jay Kapoor here, and in this video I'm going to show you WhatsApp for Business. So WhatsApp for Business is an application which aims to replace this SMS for Business, I think, so that you don't have to send the customer thank you for your order or here is your shipment details over an SMS. You can simply WhatsApp it to the customer. So there are three main features in WhatsApp for Business. The first one is quick replies. So as the name says, you can quickly reply to the customer. So for example, if you type /order, it will auto-complete the message for you that you have set, and you just press the send button, it will send the message for you. The second feature is the profile feature. I think it's not actually a feature, but customers can see more about you. They can see your business working hours, they can see your business website, they can see your business address, your name, your photo, your phone number obviously. So customers can see more about you. The third feature is the statistics feature. So you can see how many people got the message, how many people read the message, etc, etc. So let me show you the settings. Everything is pretty much the same. The only new thing added here is the WhatsApp for Business setting, and under that you will find many options, like you can set greeting message. So if you turn on greeting message service, it will automatically reply to the customer who is interacting for the first time. The second feature is the away mode feature. So if you're away from your business, as the name says, it will automatically reply to the customer on your behalf saying that we are currently away, please contact us in our working hours, and you know the rest of it. So that's it, that's pretty much it. It's really good for businesses. And here comes the question, how did I get access to WhatsApp for Business, as it's not available in India as of now? So 2 days back it was launched in some selected countries. United States was one of them. And if you are an old follower of this channel, you know the trick. If not, then don't worry, I'll just tell it again. So you can easily get a virtual United States number on your Android phone if you use this app called Text Plus. So I use that virtual United States number to register for WhatsApp for Business so that I can make a video and show it to you guys. So that's it for this video. This is a new kind of WhatsApp for businesses. So share this video everywhere with your family, friends, colleagues, and I will see you in the next one.